Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy, instant, rice-free quinoa dosha along with an onion chutney recipe. This is a great meal option for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS and diabetes. This gluten-free dosha can be made instantly and requires no fermentation. Super easy to make in those busy mornings if you have some soaked quinoa at hand. For those who are new to quinoa, quinoa is a seed grain. It's gluten free and contains all the 9 essential amino acids. It's also an excellent source of protein for vegetarians. Please do check my quinoa recipes and my videos on the health benefits of quinoa to understand more. Links will be updated at the end card, which is at the end of the video. So let's get started with the recipe. I have already soaked 1 cup of quinoa for about 2 hours. Now, if you plan to make this for breakfast, you can soak it overnight. This is an ideal dinner meal option too. So just make sure that you soak it for at least 2 hours. Now, before you soak the quinoa, rinse it a couple of times and discard that water and then soak it again in water. Rinsing the quinoa is highly recommended as it contains a natural coating called saponin, which gives a bitter taste to unwashed quinoa. Now the main ingredient in this recipe is cucumber, and the one I'm using is Indian variety cucumber. I personally don't like to use the skin of the cucumbers, so I'm peeling off the skin and roughly chopping the cucumber into my blender. Add in 1 green chilli, a small piece of ginger, 5 shallots, 3 tablespoons grated coconut, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in the assimilation of turmeric faster into your body, so do not skip it. Add in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, and lastly add in the soaked and rinsed quinoa. You don't need to add any extra water as the water content in the cucumber is enough to help grind the ingredients. And for this reason, you should add the cucumber first. Now blend until everything is nicely ground and pour the ground dosha batter into a bowl. The consistency of the batter is neither too thick nor too thin. Now you can add water to adjust the consistency of the batter if needed. The best thing about this quinoa dosha batter is that it can be prepared ahead and stored in the fridge for a couple of days. Now to make the onion chutney, I'm heating my cast iron pan and I'm adding in 1 teaspoon virgin coconut oil. Coat the pan with the oil, and once the oil is heated, add in 10 garlic cloves, 15 shallots, 5 whole red chilies. You can increase or decrease red chilies to suit your taste. Now give this all a mix and remember to keep the flame on the lowest. Add in 2 sprigs of curry leaves for that extra iron and folate. Mix well, and once the onion starts to become transparent, add in a small piece of tamarind. Mix well, and lastly add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Mix everything well and then turn off the flame. Allow it to cool down and then transfer it to a chutney grinder and blend it well, and then transfer the chutney to a bowl. Now clean the same pan with a paper napkin and then heat the cast iron pan with half teaspoon virgin coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in a fat pinch of methi seeds, 1/3 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/3 teaspoon urad dal, a sprig of curry leaves, and mix everything well, and once it starts to splutter, turn off the flame and pour the tadka over the chutney. And the onion chutney is now ready to serve. I prefer to use shallots and curry leaves as they are rich in iron and folate. However, you can use onion instead of shallots. Now let's make the instant quinoa dosha. Heat a cast iron pan and grease it with gingerly oil. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1½ ladleful of the dosha batter and spread it out into a round circle. Cover and let it cook on low flame. Open the lid and drizzle in about 1/4 teaspoon virgin coconut oil. Now instead of virgin coconut oil, you can also use desi ghee. I'm using organic virgin coconut oil. To know more about the health benefits of virgin coconut oil, please check my videos on it. Now flip the dosha over and allow that side to get cooked for about a minute. Remember, cast iron pan retains more heat, so keep the flame on lowest. Once done, serve the dosha to a plate and enjoy with onion and garlic chutney. A healthy, gluten-free dosha, perfect as a meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So guys, do try this instant quinoa dosha recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.